Hello guys and sweet inspirations to all. Today I'm here to thank all of the new subscribers and all of the old ones that have been riding with me since day one. We are now at a count of 1,300 subscribers in the family. So that means it's time for a giveaway. And each time that we cross 200 more members to the fam, it's gonna be a giveaway. So make sure you put on your notifications for that information and check the post as well. So let's get on with today's video. Thank you all, I appreciate it. So first up, what is make a sweater knit dress. The fabric is some fun fabric, bright colors, lively, fun, happy colors. And I wanted to make a nice little sweater knit dress. The fabric is also jersey knit, a thin jersey knit, but I do not want to make the long sleeves. So I thought about drafting the sleeves from another pattern, maybe this one or another if it fits. But it actually looks like this sleeve is coming off the shoulder. So it may not need a sleeve placement there. It can just be like a raglan sleeve and hem the edges. So we will see. Make sure you check the community post and put on your notification bell so you can know when the information is given for the giveaway. But I really want to do a giveaway every 200 mark of new family subscribers. So stay tuned for that, and at the end of the video I will give more information or details on how to enter if you wish. So these are some patterns that I have here that I'm going to work with, and including this one right here. I like the sleeves of that dress here. Either I want my dress to be sleeveless or some type of short sleeving. And again, the fabric is a thin jersey knit, quite comfortable for the sun. So take a look at this happy, bright, lovely design here. It's a jersey knit, and I got it from Fabric Mart. Look at all the lively, beautiful colors. And the camera doesn't do it justice, but hopefully you can see how it's looking. Beautiful, light, nice, large circles. Doing the sweater, and I'm doing the sweater dress with this. Nice, breezy, thin knit with lots of stretch. So all of the Mimi G's pattern, Simplicity 9740, I would like to sew this dress here, the shorter version of the two. And here is the fine fabric I'm going to use for this dress. Again, I would like short sleeves or shorter version sleeve. This is how horizontal stretch, more stretch than the other. A little more give horizontally. Nice, vibrant, fresh, popping, beautiful colors. Lovely. Let me know what you think and what would you make out of these. So, getting to the giveaway. The giveaway All you have to do for the giveaway is be subscribed to the channel and let me know in the comments that you're interested in participating in the giveaway. That's all you have to do to join the family. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Let's keep growing. Sweet inspiration.